Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: server address, port, login method, and that your account has read writes. Open Power BI Desktop and choose Get Data Right arrow SQL Server. Enter the server and database, then pick Direct Query or Import depending on freshness versus performance. When prompted, select Windows or Database Authentication and supply credentials. Once done, preview a small table to validate connectivity. Make sure Firewall and SQL settings allow remote connections before moving. Once connected, pick the tables you need or write a native SQL query to limit rows and reduce load. This improves performance. Click Transform Data to open Power Query. Apply filters, rename columns, change data types, and remove unnecessary fields to shrink the model. Use merge and append when combining sources, and add calculated columns only when required. Make sure relationships are defined logically and cardinality is correct. Then load a trimmed model into Power BI for reporting. Finish by optimizing. Prefer import for report speed or direct query when you need real-time values. Decide based on query complexity versus freshness. Implement incremental refresh and ensure query folding so heavy processing runs on the server. Create aggregations or summary tables to speed visuals. Publish to Power BI service, update dataset credentials in the gateway, and schedule refreshes. Troubleshooting tip: if refresh fails, check gateway connectivity, SQL permissions, and whether query folding was broken by a transformation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.